Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking Twitter, GoPro, X, and CHK on the daily, weekly time frame. So Twitter bears continue to remain in control. The close at the low of the day yesterday, higher open, cooling off RSI levels on the hourly time frame in extended hours. But that did not last as we closed down at the low of the day. So heading into earnings, not really high expectations from the bulls at this point. Support is down at 17 psychological, and the 200-day moving average is right there at 16.99. Not a ton of previous price levels of support until down at 16.75. So the bears are in full control. The weekly time frame, we still have a higher low as long as 16.57 holds. And with regards to earnings, we're either going to see a move down towards 16.57 or back up towards 18.79. That's the range that I'm watching from the last 4 or 5 weeks of trading in terms of which levels to be looking at depending on which kind of reaction we get. So GoPro is a very nice trade to be watching for tomorrow. You cannot get much tighter than this, so we know a break is coming tomorrow and a spike in volume is coming with it. A break of 954 is bullish, but a break of 951 is a heads up to start looking for a bull break because that is the high of the inside bar today. A break of 937 is bearish, and that will have us looking at 931, and then 924 is the next supports. So keep an eye on GoPro. That's going to be one of my highlighted trades for tomorrow in terms of watching this tight range with a clear break coming. Weekly time frame is trying to confirm this bullish reversal candlestick from last week. We're not off to a good start to doing that. 3 trading days left to go. We really need to see the price make its way towards $10 in order for a solid confirmation of this bullish reversal candlestick. So at this point, it does not seem likely that that is how it is going to play out. X on the daily time frame, beautiful follow through. No confirmation of the bearish reversal candlestick from yesterday. Did not break the low of yesterday and followed through with a break to higher highs. Closed just above the upper Bollinger Band, back in breakout mode. Our new base of support is the low of the last 3 days. I'm looking at 27.95, 96, and then 28.04. So overall, bulls holding on very well, and we will see if they can keep this up. The weekly time frame getting follow through, 5 weeks of green in a row over the 50-week resistance, and that higher high being hit, having us looking at 29 psychological as the next resistance level from where we currently stand. CHK, bulls barely holding on here. Support is 360. We have a double bottom. Bulls have to break 369 and 388 to start turning things around. Otherwise, a break of 355, and we will see another leg to the downside, and that will keep the bears significantly in control as they have been for quite some time at this point. Weekly time frame right up at that support, and do or die at this point. And the way the trade is setting up, if we see a bull break of this inside bar of 369, that's a potential for a bullish entry, and then a stop loss below 360, or if you want more wiggle room, 355. But that is fighting the trend. That's just a bottom fishing play with low risk because we would get stopped out before too much downside. I would rather see the exponential resistances become support before I were looking for a bullish entry, but just a trade idea if looking to play CHK. So that's where we stand on all these names. Twitter earnings coming up. GoPro trade tomorrow on the tight range. X Bulls in full control. CHK Bears in full control. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you tomorrow.